Hey guys, how you going? Joel from PENTABLOCK here. You're just about to see a short video on one of our awesome Versabox kits. They're used for water features, garden beds, planter boxes, veggie patches, fire pits, and anything you can let your imagination go to. So enjoy the video and let's get into it. So this is how the Versabox kit arrives at your place, with all the blocks and capping that you need, along with a very easy to follow installation guide to help you put the Versabox kit together. Firstly, you will need to make a solid and level base, and then mark out the measurements provided in the installation guide. Now it's time to open up the Versabox kit and begin to lay your first block. We always start with our left-hand corner block. You can tell which is a left-hand corner block by using your left hand, matching the long part of your hand with the long face of the block. Once you've laid the first block, continue laying the remaining blocks until you've completed the first layer. Now check that the internal measurements are matching those that are in the installation guide, then continue with the second layer. Once you've completed the second layer, check the measurements again, then continue on with the third layer. So we've completed laying the third layer. Now we need to remove the internal rebate off the corner blocks, allowing the capping to fit nicely. We then go over all the blocks in the final layer, removing any moulding imperfections, allowing the capping to be fitted with ease. We now fill the block cavity with our chosen material until it reaches 3 to 5 centimeters from the top of the block. Now we apply some adhesive into the rebates to fix down the capping to the Versabox. Then it's time to start placing the capping. Start at one corner and slowly work your way around the Versabox until all the capping pieces have been placed. Then tap down the capping until they're in perfect alignment and level. So there you have it guys, you've just completed a timeless natural stone PENTABLOCK Versabox kit. Alright guys, that's it for me. That was our Versabox installation video. If you need any more information, go to our website. Make sure you follow us on social media with Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.